Hey guys, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. We got a personal break here for Robin. He's gonna do a 17 museum mini. Robin, whenever you're ready, 1, 2, 3, or 4, left to right. 1 at the left, 4 on the right. Try some personals, Greg. But yeah, I'll line up some divisionals. Whatever you guys want to see. Number 3, says Robin. All right, here it is. He's working on his big baller status, Hank. He needed a laugh, yeah. Alright, Robin. What can we do for you? We got a fat card. So it's either a relic or an autographed relic. It's not an on-card base auto. We got Carlos Gonzalez bronze. Gary Sanchez. Yeah, Andy, did you see the last case with the 2 Syndergaards? Teddy Williams, Big Mac, and we're backwards. Let's flip it over. It is Starling Marte out of 50 for you, Robin. Chad's got a bunch of those meaningful materials. 43 out of 50. There we go. Yep. Hey, you'll be able to trade that to Chad for something. Oh, we got 5 remaining teams left in case 20, everybody. That's what's up next. Here's the direct link. He got old, man.